Hello guys, so here in this video we'll analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for Monday or the next week. First of all, let's analyze Nifty. Nifty, if you look at Nifty, has opened inside yesterday's value area, indicating locals presence, and when locals are present, what happens, they at some point of time they will try to take control. Now combining this with the buying tail from yesterday and the value area from Wednesday acted as good support. So all these things, they indicated a potential reversal upside. Now not only that, so when the price is pending within multi-day balance, a rejection from one side of multi-day balance, the prices goes to the other side. That is what happens. So for Monday, what you should be especially looking for, as today Nifty is making higher highs, Nifty made a imbalance around 24,900 to 25,050 levels. So what happens with this single print? This indicates there is a strong buyer who pushed the prices all the way 150 points upside. So whole day the prices couldn't able to test this single print. So what might happen on Monday is that if at all this single print stands on Monday, there will be a up move towards 200 to 300 points upside. If at all, let's say prices gets accepted inside or below this single print area, we might see prices covering the whole value area, and it might even come down to 24,870 levels, and it might even come down to the 24,700 and 24,640 levels, which is the poor low area or the multi-day balance low areas. So for now everything looks positive, which happened, I think, previously also on 15th May there was a strong up move, but then everything fizzled out. So you need to watch for Monday. If at all any up move has to be there, prices needs to sustain about 25,150 to 200 levels for on 1 hour, and if prices sustains for whole day, that further increases the possibility of further up move. This is with Nifty, guys. Coming to Bank Nifty, today RBI has reduced 50 basis points as part of new monetary policy. Because of that, what happened in the first 30 minutes, opening is inside value area, locals opened it. So they, once the prices is opened by locals, they try to take control. And if you focus here, there is some buyer who have presented themselves on Wednesday also at exactly 55,780 levels. So that is one indication there is a short-term trader, a long-term trader who trades for 3 years, 4 years or 5 years. They may not generally present at these exact levels. So when you see a price getting rejected exactly at point to point previous levels, that's a classic indication of short-term trader presence. Today, as Bank Nifty started making higher high, there was a single print from 56,250 to 56,500, 250 points single print. It's a very pretty strong one. So on Monday you need to watch whether the Bank Nifty will sustain in first 30 minutes and 1 hour inside today's value area high, which is at 56,830 levels. So any sustaining here, there is a good possibility it will test this single print. And if at all, let's say there is a gap up opening and price sustains above the value area, it doesn't test this single print, that only indicates there is a strong buying momentum. So further higher highs will be there. There is a good possibility we might see 57,700 to 58,000 levels. So for any kind of down move, guys, I think Bank Nifty needs to sustain today's value area. So for further any down move, I think Bank Nifty needs to sustain below these levels. So if you look at, there is a compartmentalization in Bank Nifty. There is a 5-day compartment here, above, below 56,000 and above 55,750 levels, and below that, this is where supply has been seen below 55,600 to 55,700 levels. So any sustaining below this level, and again supply will come, and likely we'll see 55,000 levels, and it might even come down to 54,600. It might even come down to 54,400 levels. If you find this video helpful, the next one is even better. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you always will be ahead of the curve. Thank you. Have a nice day.